See you later, okay? See you in a few days. See you in a few days, okay? See you in a few days, okay? See you in a few days, okay? I'll see you in a few days. He's working.
Look at you, your daddy.
See you in a few days.
How's the diet better too? Yeah, I think it's totally done. I'm going to call and cancel the appointment. I'm going to wait a couple more days just to be 100% sure.
I suctioned out his nose with the suction thing.
I do it all the time. He screams and screams.
But it, like, the white came out when he was sick, so.
Yeah. The other day I was breastfeeding him and it was still coming out while he was breastfeeding. It was like, woo. So.
Looks all better to me.
Did he eat well for you?
He ate about 2.5 jars of baby food.
He hasn't been
ate a
eating
bowl
it.
of cereal for the first meal.
He ate his cereal. I started giving him the oatmeal mixed grains or whatever, and he likes that I think better than just the rice. But he hasn't been really taking to his jar food as well. He'll eat it, but it's more pain to have to get him to eat. But he'll eat Ritz crackers like they're going out of style.
Crackers,
yeah.
He likes Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its?
Cheese crackers, whatever. Yeah, Cheez-Its.
I was reading though, be careful not to give them anything, like Cheez-Its are fine, but you know like the goldfish that have the dyes in them that are like purple and blue? They say not to give babies anything that's got dye in it. Well, even children, because it contributes to ADHD. Like the different dyes are bad for them, so.
Yeah, I wouldn't get anything like that.
Okay. I didn't think you would, because Kate never ate any of that when we were together, so. Alright, well thanks.
Okay.
Oh, did you put a check in the bag for me? I appreciate it.
Good.
Bye.
Bye.